If you've ever opened Google Keep and felt like your notes were piling up everywhere, labels are the secret tool that can change the game. They help you organize, find, and manage your notes effortlessly. And once you know how to use them, you'll never look back. Let's break it down. First, head over to Google Keep. You can get there quickly by clicking on the Google Apps grid in the top right corner of your browser, then selecting Keep. This will bring you to your Notes dashboard. Now, let's add some order. Pick a note you want to organize and open it. In the top right corner, click the three dots. This opens the Options menu. From here, select Add Label. At this point, you have two choices. If you've already created labels, you'll see them listed. Just click the ones that match, and your note will instantly be grouped. If you want to create a brand new label, simply type the name in the field provided and hit Create. That new label will now be available for any future notes. The best part? Notes can have multiple labels. For example, if you're working on a project at work that also relates to personal goals, you can tag the same note with both labels. This makes it much easier to find exactly what you need without endless scrolling. To view all the notes under a specific label, just click the label itself from the sidebar menu on the left. This instantly filters your notes into a tidy collection. It's like having mini folders inside Google Keep tailored to how you think and work. And that's really the magic of labels. They turn a scattered collection of notes into a system you can actually rely on. So if you've been struggling to stay on top of your thoughts, tasks, or projects, try setting up labels today. You'll be amazed at how much easier it feels to manage your ideas when everything has its place. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical tips to keep your digital life organized.